Hey, good afternoon. This is a quick presentation of our 2008 Schwing SP500. As you see already, the machine does not have a tongue. Let me show you the tongue where it is. It's right here. The tongue was destroyed, it was damaged, it was completely crooked. So we took it apart completely. We are going to build a brand new tongue for it. I wish I could show you the serial numbers in the bottom, but that's where basically this one is going to have it too. We'll put a brand new A-frame, and it'll all be made to factory standards. Everything will be 100% like it was when it was first created. The machine will look original, will look brand new. Of course, we're gonna go into the rest of it. In the tongue, you're gonna have the jack to increase the or to incline or decline the machine. You'll have the chains. You'll have the wire harness that you can feed through. Let me see what else. Then we'll go into this area here, which is the engine. Of course, we're gonna do the valve adjustment. We're gonna replace the filters. We're gonna replace the battery. We're gonna actually put the battery on the battery cover. What else? We got the piston cups. I don't think we're gonna replace material cylinders because we already did the inspection. Those don't require material cylinders, but the actual piston cups will go. As you see here, this is the panel. It's a mess. We're gonna redo the whole thing. We're gonna change the face. All of these things are not original. You see this? This is not original from Schwing. This is all stuff that people put afterwards because they don't want to spend the money, so they put cheap stuff. I'm gonna show you what a real nice pump looks like. I'm gonna cut this piece out of here, and it's gonna go where it's supposed to be. Somebody decided to rivet this in instead of putting the right plate where it's supposed to be. So we'll put the right plate just the way it is supposed to be. We'll replace the hydraulic oil. Look at the oil on this pump. Let me show you real quick. Look at it. It's clean. It's in good shape. That means that the soul of the machine, which is the hydraulic pump, is in good shape too. There's no contaminants in there. We already pressure tested the pump. We already pressure tested the engine, compression tested every single cylinder, and it's in good shape. Otherwise, we wouldn't buy it. We're going to replace this, of course, the temperature gauge, the side gauge. We're going to replace the hydraulic oil. You see here, this is supposed to be a hand valve. Of course, there's nothing in there. So we'll replace this, and we'll replace the coil behind it. We're going to go into the hoses, whatever hose that is leaking or bad, we'll replace it. Tires, obviously, I'm going to replace these tires. Those are not even trailer tires. I'm going to put actual trailer tires, trailer brakes. We're gonna put the brand new bearings and bearing bodies. You see, let me see what else. Obviously, all the wire harness is gonna run through, so we'll have that going too. Differential cylinders. I don't think there's any leaking, but normally we put new seals in the back of those. Look at this motor. This is not even Schwing or Putzmeister. Who knows what the heck this is? But this gotta go. So we'll put the original one in. We'll put the safety switch. That means that when you open the hopper grate, it will actually disengage the pumping operation of the pump. Then we'll go into the hopper. Let me show you a very creative hopper. Look at this. Beautiful. Rebar. So obviously we're going to replace this. We're going to put the right one in. We're going to put an actual Schwing one on it. We're going to go into the wearable items. We're gonna replace wear parts such as cutting ring if they're bad, like the wear plate, the kidney seals. All those things are gonna go. Then we'll go into the seals that go into the bearings in the front, the seals that go into the boots for the agitators. Those things will be done. From there we go into the lights. You see this broken off piece here? This is where the lights are actually going. We're gonna cut that out. We're gonna put our nice light bracket on here, and then we'll put LED submersible lights here. We'll make sure that this is the correct one. I don't know if this could be used. I mean, I'm gonna check with my staff, with my mechanics. If we leave it, it's because they're satisfied that it will do the job. Of course, on the bottom, we're gonna put a brand new trap door and a brand new trap seal. We're gonna recharge the accumulator. Look at this beautiful hose right here. Look at this. Look at Natasha. Look at this hose. That thing is about to pop. So we'll take care of that. Those hoses are gonna go. As I mentioned already, piston cap and stuff like that. All the hoses are leaking. But let me show you. Look at the engine from here and look at the hydraulic pumps. There's not even a leak of oil. That's what I like. This is what I purchase. I don't care about the aesthetics. I don't care about the wear parts. I don't care about metal. I don't care about paint. What I care about is that the machine has good bones. And this damn machine has some real good bones. No hydraulic leaks. The pump looks clean, impeccable. You know when a pump has overheated because the paint will wear out and it starts oxidizing. When you get that rust, you know that this thing got overheated. Look at the paint on the engine and the paint on the pump. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, this gotta go. We'll put the original ones in. This is not original. Rain cap and the muffler. You see this is all crooked. We'll straighten it out and make sure it's the right one in. And that's it. I mean, we'll pressure test it. We're gonna do maybe a light paint on some areas. We're gonna also replace these stickers, though they look good. This is not original. We'll put the nice big Schwing SP500. You know, we'll put the right size of stickers. All of these are made by somebody. We'll put the right ones on and it'll look absolutely stunning. Yeah, you gotta give us some time, but it'll be ready in maybe 3 to 4 weeks, something like that.